Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, TheRealNesters, as you'll see at TheRealNesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all 2 YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below.
3.
Welcome back, everybody. I am Crystal TheRealNesters, and you are on the Thomas channel. And behind that camera right there is James TheRealNesters, my wonderful camera and editor. Yay! Got to shout out the husband, you guys. Anyway, so you guys, the visitor. This is why people get called the visitor. Sorry. For all you people who got rid of your visitors, let me know down in the comments how you did it, because it's time to get rid of some visitors. Anyway, back to our regular scheduled program. Today, you guys, I have an unboxing and putting it together. What you want to call it? Unboxing and what? And setup. Unboxing and setup, right? So today, I'm super excited. Y'all see the smile is big because I've been looking at this for months. Well, not months, but weeks. Today, it came, ladies and gentlemen. If y'all notice, we're in my beautiful green laundry room. If y'all don't know, the hubby painted this himself. That's right. Go back, check out our videos over on the James and Crystal channel, where you can see all the beautiful videos of our husband doing his hard work. Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program. All right. So here, I bought this little cart, ladies and gentlemen, for your laundry area. And I got this from Amazon for about 22 bucks, give or take some change. And this is for, it's a little tray for to squeeze in between your washer and dryer. Yeah, it's called a 3-story cart, and they actually have 4-story ones too. But I got this. So the theme for this house is everything in its place, and in its place, everything must go. So if you guys see, this is still packed up from when we bought it from the old house because we recently moved. So yeah, we get ready to work this out. And yeah, y'all can see how it goes. So God. Ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! A finished little product. Woo! But let's see.
Show them the Bible.
Here's the test of time.
Wheels.
Yes, it is on wheels. But let's see. Oh, shawty! Yeah. I had to do my happy dance. Oh, sorry. All right, ladies and gentlemen. But before we go, So I'm gonna move this stuff down here.
Bring that, slide that.
I might do a little pause.
You put all this stuff down there.
I'm gonna do a little pause.
Some of this stuff goes in there.
No, all this stuff goes in there.
Yeah.
But before we wrap this part up, we're gonna take a small detour. If y'all notice, that's the theme of my video, ladies and gentlemen. We've been doing stuff. We were on our third detour. So over here in our beautiful laundry room, you got a nice iron rack, the iron board iron rack. Woo, shawty. Who put this together? Mama did. I was supposed to be putting this together, but Papa Bear took over. Ooh. Anyway, and then we got our nice little utility rack. That's what they call this, ladies and gentlemen. Where you know how to do. See, we got our mop. And look, watch how cool this is. You go up and come on down. So you can make it as short or as low as you want. Papa Bear did that. So we one for one. We one for one right now, ladies and gentlemen. We just going back and forth, putting all this stuff together. When you get a new crib, this is what you do. And for all of y'all who already had your crib, you need some new ideas. What you waiting for, boo? Did y'all just see my utility car? They didn't even take 10 minutes to put it together, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm about to get rid of all of this. So, after these messages, we'll be right back, and then we're going to end this video. So, ladies and gentlemen, I showed you my 2 fairy boxes. But look at my beautiful rack. Yeah! I'm so excited, you guys. It's the little things in life. Look. So now it's all packed up. Uh-oh. There we go. My one little thingy right there is a little tight. But look how neat and cool that is. It's all nice and clean. Where they go? Where they go? Where they go? So this stuff up here, I'm probably going to work on one more little thing up there. Now, I'm not going to buy another one. Hubby like it so much, he like buy another one, but I'm not going to buy another one. Well, I'm going to organize this in a different way. So, y'all might possibly have one more laundry room activity before the completion. But until then, ladies and gentlemen, y'all know what I like to say. Thank you so much for spending time with us. And I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to comment down below. For those of you who got this, hit me up, hit me up. Anyway, hit that bell. Give us some thumbs up. Share us out. And until the next video. Peace.